Have you ever tried joining a Roblox game only to see this frustrating message? This experience is not accessible because it is unrated. Yeah, it's annoying, right? Well, don't worry. I'm here to explain what this means and show you exactly how to fix it. This error pops up when you're trying to enter a Roblox game that hasn't been given an age rating by the developer. Roblox recently introduced a feature where all games, or experiences, are assigned a content rating, like all ages, 9 plus, or 13 plus. If the game you're trying to play doesn't have a rating, Roblox automatically blocks it for accounts set to under 13 years old. Why? It's part of Roblox's effort to keep the platform safe for younger players. So, how do you fix this? Well, the easiest solution is to make sure your Roblox account is set to the correct age. Go to your account settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner and then selecting Settings. If it says you're under 13, Roblox will restrict your access to certain games, including unrated ones. If you made a mistake when creating your account and set the wrong birth date, unfortunately, Roblox doesn't allow you to change your age once it's set. In this case, you'll need to create a new account with the correct birth date. If you found this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video.